let's define some new algorithms. We are not using request. Let's rename that to maybe addition. We need to add more algorithms. Where do you click for that? You have to click on one of the tabs, right click and say add algorithm. Similarly, multiplication and division. Okay, what do they do? Of course, initialization, like I said, you can initialize your interface. In this case, I am going to initialize this to 0. And in addition, I am going to do a addition of the two input variables. Okay. Now, what I'm using here is called a structure text. And this is one of the programming languages that you can use to program your algorithms. Now, if you want to get a brief manual about the structure text language itself, you can go to help. Next one, help. And you can go to structure text reference and learn all about structure text here. Later in this tutorial, towards the end, I will run briefly over different structure text elements. Let's go back. I'm going to copy this and then use it for subtraction. But in this case, I do subtraction. Similarly for multiplication, I do multiplication. And similarly for division, I do division. Okay, let's save this. Go back to interface. Now you can build, see if there are any errors. Of course, it says in ECC transition start to request. Request is undefined. That's true because we didn't do our state machine yet. And the error that you saw said that this event is not found because we renamed that to addition. Okay, and let's rename this too so that it's clear. Let's add more states for subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, so how does this work? Every time you always start executing in start state, that's where it begins. And if an init event comes, it goes here. And it has a true transition back. Now here you can also wait on other events, for example. That is, you want to have init, then it will go to init state. And then in this case, it will wait for addition event. But we don't want that because after every action, we want to come back to the start state and wait for the next action. So best way to do that is to use a true transition, which is identified by just adding 1. Now, since I'm here, I will also show what other options are possible. You can also combine events with any Boolean logic. For example, in1 is greater than or equal to, and so on and so forth. So you can combine your event with any other Boolean formula, or you can just use Boolean formula. That's why we use 1, which means that it's always true. Okay. Then we go to subtract state when we get subtraction event. Then we want to just go back after we do the execution of the algorithm. Similarly, we go to multiplication. let's see. Yeah, I called it multiply. Let's change that so that our names are same everywhere. That's why you didn't see that in the options. Now you can see the multiplication option. And go back. Similarly, division. And then we go back. Now if you notice, all of these new states are missing actions. Let's add that. What algorithms you want to execute? You want to execute subtraction and you want to emit CNF, confirmation output event. Similarly for this, multiplication and CNF. Division and then CNF. That's good. Let's end this lesson here. In the next lesson, we shall build and run this basic function block.